The Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max is a high-end smartphone that has been praised for its impressive display, powerful processor, and versatile camera system. It is also one of the most expensive smartphones on the market. Display. The iPhone 14 Pro Max has a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with a promotion refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. The display is incredibly bright and clear, and the promotion refresh rate makes scrolling and animations look smooth and fluid. Processor. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is powered by the A16 Bionic chip, which is the fastest chip ever in a smartphone. The A16 Bionic chip is incredibly powerful and efficient, and it makes the iPhone 14 Pro Max a great choice for demanding tasks such as gaming and video editing. Camera. The iPhone 14 Pro Max has a triple-lens rear camera system with a 48-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 12-megapixel telephoto sensor. The camera system is capable of taking stunning photos and videos in a variety of lighting conditions. Price. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is the most expensive iPhone model available, with a starting price of $1,099. The high price is due to the phone's premium features, but it may be a deterrent for some potential buyers. Overall, the Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max is an excellent smartphone that offers a premium experience. However, it is also an expensive phone, and it may be a better choice for some people to consider a more affordable model.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below to let us know what you think. And if you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family.